Hello my viewers, welcome back to my channel. I am Shilpa. So as you guys already know that I named this video Astami look. There is something special in Astami. We all want to look our best of the best of the best on Astami. So here I came up with this look. If you guys are wondering how I create this look, then please keep on watching. So I'm done with my face makeup. Now I'm taking my KRYOLAN translucent powder and apply this heavily on my under eye. So if there will be any fallout, I can easily dust it off. Now I'm taking that soft warm brown shade from my NYX palette with a fluffy brush and apply this on my crease area and gradually building up this color. Now I am taking this soft purple shade and apply this little bit lower than my previous shade. Guys, I already done a full face makeup tutorial, so I decided to skip that part on this tutorial so that this video will be much more shorter because the product and the process is the same. But by any chance, if you missed that tutorial, I will put the link on my description box. Make sure you will check it out. Now I'm taking that dark chocolate shade from my Coastal Scents palette and apply this on the outer V just to give a nice depth to my eyes. Now I take that dark purple shade with help of this flat brush. I apply this on the outer corner to give my eyes a nice purple vibrant effect. Make sure you blend that color so well. Then I take a small flatter brush and with help of my Maybelline concealer, I cut my crease. Please go very gentle on that step because it can make or break your look, so be steady and careful. Then I blend the edges of the concealer. Then I set it with my translucent powder. Again, I take that dark purple shade to redefine my crease. Then I take that soft purple shade to blend the dark shade, so there will be no harsh edges at all. Now I'm taking my Nika glitter. This glitter is so gorgeous. I am in love with this. This golden shade is so breathtaking. You should also be careful when you apply this because it is in wet formula. So be gentle on this part too. Then I blend the edges with my finger and let it dry for a minute or so. Now I'm taking my eyeliner and today I'm doing a wing liner. At first I draw the line and then very carefully I fill that gap. Now I'm taking that soft warm brown shade and apply this on my lower lash line with help of this blending brush. Then I take that soft purple shade and apply this little bit closer to my lash line than the previous shade. Blend well. Now I'm taking my kajal and apply this on the lower waterline. And I also apply this on my upper waterline. Then I take that chocolate brown shade to blend the kajal and create a nice smoky effect. Then I add some mascara on my upper and lower lashes. So now I am taking my COLORBAR lipstick in the shade Oh My Magenta. This lipstick is not so matte but not so creamy. I love the texture. The color payoff of the lipstick is amazing. I do not fill the inner part of my lips. Now I'm taking my Faces ULTIME Pro crayon. This is in the shade Daily Dose. I apply this on the inner part of my lips to create a nice soft ombre effect. So this is the final look. This look is so gorgeous. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, but one thing I definitely want to mention that you can create this look anytime, anywhere you want to create. There is no bounds. So if you guys find this video helpful, then please give it a thumbs up, comment and share with your friends, and please subscribe my channel before you leave. Bye guys, tada!